All right, welcome back to the channel. Firefighter Golf is here at the National. It's a private club here in the Kansas City metro area. Here to support Imperial Golf and the Watson Links Foundation, which is Tom Watson's foundation to help support youth golf. So it's kind of like a big brothers, big sisters thing, but you get them out on the golf course. And so here, happy to support what JT and John are doing. So
I don't know.
Anyway, love you all. Stay self-aware. Hope you enjoy this scramble video. All right, our opening hole here at the Imperial Golf Watson Links tournament. 144 to this pin over the water.
He doesn't jump this one in the water.
Come on down.
Here it comes.
Right here. Keep coming.
Gosh, that's the way the wind was going. All right, not bad. Go in. Right at it. Good shot. All right, we're choosing Richie's ball right there. All right, I'm going first. I'm the worst putter
I got a cut
in this group. So like you said, it goes.
Right at that dip.
So you think it's a double breaking?
Yeah, at the beginning, the first 5 feet is going to break left, and then it's obviously go left to right.
God, it just goes. Wowzers. Or that pace, keep it in there. Oh! There's too much pace.
That one didn't move anything. I mean, it had some pace on it, but it didn't move back right at all
It didn't.
like the others.
All right, folks, so this tournament, when you checked in, you got to spin a wheel twice.
If you give it
was
any
part
less
of your
pace, it
package.
just trucks.
That's how they chose to do this tournament instead of doing the on-course fundraiser stuff. So kind of a fun, different way to do it. But anyway,
use our
when I
automatic
spun,
birdie here.
we won
Yes, mine.
an automatic
Do
birdie.
we?
So we're going to talk about it. We'll probably use it there.
Anywhere.
Par threes are key
Yeah, we can just
in
have
these
it.
tournaments.
Yeah, I don't.
And then we also get a 300-yard drive, so we'll figure out what hole we want to use that on too.
Sevens.
Par 5, fifth hole, uphill, 470 yards. If we don't get one in the fairway up there, we can use our 300-yard drive and be on the right side of the fairway.
Overdrew it.
She blocked by trees.
Keep cutting.
Ah, not what I wanted.
That's handy.
Individual play would be all right. A little 240 bunt.
Yeah.
Ole, 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 ole.
All right. All right, Rich. See what you can do.
I done that right tree line. And then you pull it.
There's a magnet over there.
Then you pull it.
All right, gonna be about 160 up this hill. We're choosing Richie's T-ball. We gotta go up and over this tree here.
Wind's behind us just a little bit.
Wind's behind us, so we felt like we'd save our
We're in the same direction as the part.
300-yard drive for later.
Right. My shot on the first hole was
Perfect for this shot.
for this shot.
Hey, hit it straight there.
I'll go here.
Okay.
There you go.
Nope, hanging out now. Dang it.
Straighten it out.
Not that much. That was the club.
You doing a call shot?
Call shot. Yes. You'll
All
see
right.
it. You'll see it.
We'll see the shot tracer can pick it up.
Got up that hill.
It's trying to climb it. Go, go. Stay right there.
Perfect pin position there, though.
All right, good effort. Hey, you executed.
I just didn't quite catch it.
No. All right, Richie, not bad. Richie got up to here. He executed, just didn't catch it hard enough like he said.
Pretty handy though.
It's pretty handy. All right, this is chip in range. Shot.
Here we go.
Come on.
Let's go, Marvin. Oh, good run. Good effort.
That's just wrong. Pace is good. Just come lift on me. There.
Yep. Patrick says it's 153 to that front pin, playing 150 with the slope. The wind's in the face a little bit, so. All right, a little into the wind, so I'm gonna hit the 8-iron.
Come on in.
Keep coming in, wind.
Come on in.
Thank you. Get you guys there.
Did you swing all of that?
I choked. I don't think I swing at all either.
You think 9 or 8 for me, Pope?
Slope there.
It was the yardage. I just pulled it too much. Almost
All right, that's our
one-handed
birdie
that in the
putt.
hole.
Richie's went a little long.
No way.
Ha.
No more pace. That's in the hole. Yeah, right on the outside edge of that, Rich.
Yep. See if I can make one today. Yeah, but
Oh, wowzers.
kidding me.
Yeah, I don't know how that fucking does it. I didn't get it up high enough.
Or hard enough.
All right, so there's no mulligans in this tournament. You could have spun and got one. So in essence, we kind of got one when I spun and got the automatic birdie. So that's what we'll do is just go ahead and put a birdie on one of these par threes that we haven't birdied. So, all right, on to our 4th hole.
Because it didn't.
Because it had the pace.
Yeah.
All right, dog leg right
But I
hole.
didn't wanna-
It's
I
got
should've
trees
just
down there in the landing
hammered it
area,
anyway.
so
We
it's
were
got to be a
already
good drive. What type of shot did you say you're gonna hit?
I'm gonna hit one with my eyes open this time.
sir.
Did you kill one of them?
Oh.
Or quattro.
Got
Got the bounce.
Very nice. Do I even need to hit?
No, I don't even think. I'm
Okay.
gonna hit just to get her swing, but I don't think we need to hit.
Yeah.
You didn't have to bring the Spanish out on that one?
Thankfully, we don't use the Spanish on that guy.
The bad Spanish.
I say on the golf course.
Got me all the.
Yeah, great ball.
That's a good ball. Very nice. I'll hit just to hit. Good ball. Very nice. I'll hit just to hit.
Yeah, nice ball. Ladies and gentlemen, he's going for the green, hole number 6. 260 yards. Ball's up in the air,
He's not getting them.
not cutting.
Good swing.
Good shot, Dottie.
I thought they were driving off.
Good swing there, Rich.
Thank you, man.
All right, if I had played my ball individually, look at that opening. I think you could do it, but I don't know about me.
I had the experience
Yeah.
of playing from here, yes.
I like it.
Oh, looking good.
That could be close.
Could be close. Oh, just got underneath it. Yeah. And that's the pause button I'm using.
Pretty good too.
He jumped on me.
They're trying to kill us.
Yeah, I'd go just on the outside of the right edge here.
Yep.
Yeah.
There's too much pace, maybe?
You just stays there.
But yeah, right edge is good. Right around there. Very nice.
Good putt, Stevie.
Thank you. Woo!
Okay. I don't know which way it's gonna go, but we'll soon find out.
Yep.
Left rough.
It'll be in the left rough, but it'll be fine. It'll
Yeah.
be long.
Okay. Well, Steve, what do you think? He's got a driver in his hands. Aiming down the right side with a nice little draw should be perfect.
Yeah, if he can. He's been overdrawing it, but not that one,
Oh,
Patrick.
that's a beauty.
That's a beaut, Clark.
That is a beauty right there.
I think he's gonna like it. We're gonna like it. Hey, I'm gonna leave my shorts on the ground on this swing.
Hey, you already made a putt, dude.
Yeah, well, yeah. Okay. Don't hold back.
She's in play, but not like yours. All right, Chief Nice setting up his ball. All right, Patrick, what do you think on this one?
I think he's gonna crush it down the middle.
Yeah.
280 to the front. He's got a good chance to reach the hole.
All right, let's see what he does. Oh yeah, it might run, Rich.
Down the middle there.
Run a lot there. Good shot.
What do you say?
Had Brian hooting and hollering up there. All right, Richie's drive. Hit the downslope, Brian said. He's up there watching it and ended up just short of the green there. Here's what we got for an eagle on this hole number 8. It stays out that way.
Okay.
I hit it too hard.
And then at the end it moves right, left to right.
Speed, speed, speed. I climbed that hill good.
Yeah.
That's probably pretty darn good. I just got to climb it. Yep. I hit it all right.
Oh, just straight down the hill.
It's a little right to left, I think. Right.
Yes, sir.
Great putt. Nice birdie.
Good job, good drive, good putt.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. Approach putt.
Yeah, but
Watch this. Oh, block!
just think if they had that in golf, you get one goaltending. All right, we're 409 yards from our cart over here left. This is what we got. Beautiful ninth hole here.
Beautiful.
Patrick's worried about the houses on the left, he said.
This is not a hole if you're afraid of heights.
Spinner.
No worries there.
I like it.
Get down.
Turn just a little bit.
Get down. Oh no, it's perfect.
Good ball.
It's not fine, it's perfect.
El Perfecto.
El perfecto.
Very nice.
There's the house.
Hold on.
Listen, windows.
Look at all those winders.
Oh. Cart path.
Cut! Cut!
Don't cut a house. That was the crap ball anyway. Here's your tee back, bro.
It
Yeah,
hit the rough, so you're fine.
okay.
We're gonna see. Yeah, John did say it. 69.
All right, here's the look back at the hole. Beautiful drop, beautiful hole.
Longest putt here, isn't it? So hit it on the front. Stevie's going with a pitching wedge. How do you like this play?
He's pretty good at it, so it's gonna.
Ball's up in the air. It looks like it's gonna get the
And
slope.
then it releases a little bit. Oh, look at this guy.
Pretty good.
Three of them up there.
Is this bowling or is this golf? I mean,
Well, Steve, no pressure.
wait, I'm trying to put it furthest away so we can get the longest putt at least here. No pressure.
That looks pretty good.
Ah! We'll show you when we get up there, folks. 4 good-looking shots. I think I might have missed Patrick's, but his was good too. What are you guys doing? You like this grouping up here or something?
That's a grouping from the ages.
I guess we like that yardage, Brian. Was it 69?
It was 69.
Good shots, boys. I mean, look, we
Well,
still
that's a
had
birdie.
Ah,
we had good ones.
And what's
Brian,
that?
you had the draw spin going in there, brother.
Yeah.
Hopefully I got it on film. I thought I pushed it. If not, if I didn't get it, there it is.
There's another one there.
All right, Patrick.
So,
I know where all the sprinkler heads are.
this is Mr. 295 teeing off now
Shit.
with a slinger.
Over there on your right, man.
Get you some.
Well, you know, he probably did that just for you.
Good ball.
You're lucky you won this weekend.
Hey, do I get a Buckeye for that hit? Did you catch it good?
Yeah, but I left it out just a little bit to the right.
That camera angle, you're the shot tracer, your voice is.
I'm praying for a right kick. I'll be about.
Whoever hit it long, just at the last hole, just a little bit, it'll be perfect for him.
77 now.
So can we say that's 69 with,
It's 69 plus 8.
yeah, so
It's a perfect yardage.
it's a perfect yardage.
There's no reason why we should be birdieing this hole. Same chip and
Just got to go with it, right, Rich? Why it's working?
That's right. Oh! Hey, that was 69.
Now, you hit it 69,
You hit it 69,
Brian.
dude. I guarantee you, if you shoot that from right here, it's 69. You know, I am team.
Oh, money.
Get down a little.
Get down next to
Right
it.
there.
Not finished.
Stay,
Oh.
stay, 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 stay!
Stop. A little spinny in there.
I'm not real mad at that,
No.
okay? I mean,
If four of us,
I'd almost bet you right now that that's going to be close to the pin between the four of us.
you're putting the money down now?
Yeah, I'm betting on Patrick. On
All
that
right,
shot.
Brian's shooting to see if he was 69 out.
I guarantee you 69.
66.
Well, it came back a little.
Pretty good. You bet against himself.
Oh! Come back! He bet against himself. Good shot, Rich.
A little negative motivation there.
I think he still might have me. I think I'm a little deep. Get up!
Yeah, it's short. Got hit with Brian's vagina. All right, Rich, not bad. Good shot.
Thank you. I thought Patrick was in there tight. I just lost money. We didn't put much on it, did we?
Yeah, we didn't put much on it. Oh, it didn't go.
Did you see it? It's
Inside left.
it's inside.
See?
There's something.
Yeah.
There's something right in here
That way.
that's shooting it left. You gotta go dead. You gotta go right at it. Dead center.
And then it,
Oh, come on, man.
It's on some little spine or something.
yes, sir.
Good one.
Way to pick us up, Patrick. Good putt.
Good job, Patrick. I knew we brought you for a reason, finally.
I thought you brought me for a reason.
So it,
Oh, yeah.
it did move.
Everyone. We
Yeah.
brought everyone for a reason.
Right, like I
Except
thought.
me.
We brought you for a reason.
Another birdie. I don't know how many that's in a row, but
What's better than a birdie?
stinking eagle, and I want one.
All right.
It's a good par four.
400-yard par 4, pretty much straight away. No bunkers. It's actually a longer hole for the back tees, 480 some. So yeah.
Right.
Oh.
God dang it.
It's not feeling comfortable today.
Come on, driver, take me up. My tee box.
Good ball, Rich.
Good ball, Richie.
Ain't nothing but a thing.
Thank you. A little right,
What's our yardage?
102. A little downwind, a little right to left.
It's not 69.
It's perfect, but it's perfect distance
All right.
on this long par four. Get on it.
Sit down on it.
Come on back.
Oh,
Come on back.
Downwind, long duck a dong.
Yeah, stayed right on that back edge. Pretty good swing.
Just like that.
Looking pretty good. Looking real good, guys. Sit right on. Yes, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes,
that's
sir.
102 yards to 6 feet. Brian Taylor.
You got eagle and eye eyes, so shot, Brian.
You know what? Mulligan.
Mulligan stew. Yankee.
All right, we got a putt. Don't run over the camera. Hey, we only need one person to hit one shot, and we got that shot.
We got a good one in there.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're fine.
I'll take that every day at 6-footer.
Say, almost up
Say
the
the
hill.
cup.
Up in there.
How much is that?
That's about 2 cups.
Woo, a Lotsky.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
With that, look at the pace. All right.
Not hard
Whoa.
enough or high enough.
Dang, it's here.
I did a Brent Snedeker. Just tap at it. It doesn't look like it slings that much. So when I was over it, I didn't trust it.
That might.
Yes, sir!
Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. That's what I'm talking about, boy. That's ham and egg. That's why they call it a scramble.
Way to go, blind nut. Did you find that squirrel there?
I watched 2 good
I'll
putts.
tell you, it's the putting rotation that we're in right now.
Yeah.
It's working.
We'll stick with it for now.
Yeah, when you got something that's working, you don't change it.
Well, what am I doing wrong? Something's not working.
No, you helped Taylor.
I did, but I'm talking about.
I helped you until we got it down enough to where he could make it. If he wasn't going to make it, Patrick was going to make it. Man, you start that right center, that's money.
Yeah, hit that for a fade.
Hey, ball.
Clear that bunker.
Drawn.
It did.
Over it.
Came out of the bunker.
Just in the left roof. Then.
It went over it.
Yep.
I saw it roll over, so it's fine.
Gosh.
Run, baby. Yeah.
Yeah, he should with our city drives. That's short of that bunker. Oh,
Dang it. Man, if that Brian was back here.
all right, Rich's ball right here. 117 or what'd you say?
Yeah, 117.
He didn't win, probably playing 120.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
All right, tell me, caddy. I got my 125 club. I'm gonna play a little chip. Because I think it's playing 120.
Is that with? Okay. What I would do in that case, 25 club, just grip it down an inch. That takes 5 yards off. That's
What
your
she
120
said.
you're talking about.
Yeah, we've got just a tiny little bit. It's gonna release a little bit out of this, don't you think?
All right.
Maybe 3 yards, but that.
Okay.
I would just grip down on it and
Hit it.
take into consideration that the ball's above your feet, so it's gonna draw.
Yep.
Yeah.
Just
Ain't
didn't,
gonna
get it,
kill us.
just didn't get it on the starting line. That's not bad.
Come on back. Come on.
Little McGraw on there.
Well, that rough and that lie is gonna make it all go left. Work a little.
I don't think I hit it good enough. It
Release.
should release though.
Get on up there. That ain't bad.
Hey, blind fucking nut finally.
I'll take that one.
It's probably 20 feet away though.
So you're saying it's beatable?
Heck yeah, it's beatable. Any shot's beatable unless one of us hold it out.
All right.
Be the number.
The wind 297. We got a 300-yard drive, so we just go put
Hit this ramp. Patrick, hit it.
Is that the way that works?
Oh no, yeah, that's Pope on that one.
Yeah, baby.
Can we put it 9
He couldn't
feet
cut
in
it.
the hole
Sure.
and make eagle?
They're kicking us out of this private course. There's Richie's ball. Probably use his. Mine didn't make it up the tier. Like I said, I didn't think I caught it, so. It stopped.
It stopped turning.
That was money.
Let me check your mic. I think it's good putt though. I think it shut off.
Yeah.
So where was it at?
Okay. This is what we had him aiming at. So we want to move it in
Okay.
a ball or so,
Oh,
and then hit.
And it's not downhill. It's not a perfect world. No. Not high enough.
straighten, 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 straighten.
We're hard enough.
It's about time for Patrick to make one, don't you think?
Well, he made one on,
Taylor made the last hole, so I think it's Patrick's
made
turn.
it on 10 for us.
Yeah,
Pat.
so he's due.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any betting? Any bets on this? That's good. If it gets there, it's got a chance.
That's in!
Ah!
And it goes back the other way at the end.
It straightens out. Yeah,
Well, it went that way at the end.
down, baby.
That's 6 inches down. Good job.
Hey, we're ham and egging it, dude. I told you it was his
It
turn.
did.
I told you it's his turn to make one.
All right, it's Brian's turn for the mic now.
We did our job.
You debuted good with the mic.
Well, I know you probably edited most of it out anyway.
Watch out, JT and John! Or the cart girl.
It's almost on the green now.
On 11's or 10's green, yeah.
Oh my, that'll be a fun shot, Tracer. That's a sweeper.
It's on.
On the green, good job, Brian. We don't need to use that 300-yard drive.
Yeah.
All right, I'm coming around, hitting them more solid.
Let's go. I'm not hitting.
Right in the gunch.
Uphill.
All right, there's Brian's
Uphill.
drive. He slung it in here.
Go.
Good roll.
There's what Richie wanted. That's what Richie wanted.
Come on, go! Leave it short.
Good run, Patrick.
Good putt, Patrick.
You know, because I did have to pay for golf, you know, so I. That's a pretty good shot, isn't it, though? I'd hate to have to get a hold
Look at the
of
mic on. I got a big dick, and that's tight. No.
117, playing 126 up this hill.
No. Oh, oh, oh. Oh!
Baby!
I don't know what to say.
Looks
Be
pretty good.
close.
It might have hit the stick and went in.
For a year, isn't it?
I think so. This guy coming in on there too. Wind flattened it out.
Oh, good!
I think it's
They would both come right down the pin, dude.
Don't have it today.
Hey, just make a putt.
You brought me for the filming.
And the putt, you made that putt. Make it-
Who is it?
Patrick tried to get closest to the pin. We lost it by about 6 inches. Do one hand. Yes, sir.
All right, here's even better than one hand.
Oh God, here comes his brown eyes reading this one. Nope.
Oh, I missed it.
It winked. It must have winked.
That's the first one.
His eye on it.
That's the first one I missed.
Ryan, you didn't have your eye on that one.
Mm-mm.
Slinger.
Time to swing.
Oh, you got a nice kick.
Told you those houses were in play.
Oh shit, get down.
Getting to my left side.
They were in a good spot here.
All right, bud. 195 to cover the front.
That's what it says on the cart. Team, we just bring Patrick.
Just a little short.
Yep,
Yeah.
just a tiny bit short.
I know. That's a birdie.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
Yep.
Keep working.
And soft.
Yeah. Softer. Softer.
Just a little heavy.
Ground hook.
Kick left.
It kicks straight.
Yeah.
It might run up on the front edge of the green.
Let's make a putt. That big bird right here.
What are you trying to throw it into the hill? And
Yeah, just like a yard short of into the hill. And then
Let it release.
release.
Nice.
Let me contribute somehow.
Where's the break? Shot.
Not for a scramble. Individual play, I take.
Okay.
.156 playing 149.
I got 55 playing 51.
Lockdown went, yeah.
Good spot.
He called it.
Oh, be the one. You called it.
He called it.
You called it. Oh, I hit the stick!
Oh! That hit the hole!
It hit the hole.
Let's see if it damages this thing. Oh.
Oh. That either hit the bottom of the stick or it hit the cup and went in.
He
And
went in the hole and then.
Oh my gosh, she's a spitter. Good shot, Rich. Oh, it's spun back a little.
Went all the way down.
All right, folks, here's what we got.
blew the cup apart. Now we got to repair the cup.
Tearing holes up, yeah?
Yeah. I mean, hey, that was good yardage by you guys.
Hey, you turned the course up.
That's disrespectful.
How are we gonna fix that?
Well, we're gonna try.
Stand by.
Might have to call them out to come fix it.
Oh, easy.
Look at this guy.
It's almost like he's done this before.
Once.
Surgeon?
Get the inside left. I ain't moving.
Put the heartbeat on there.
Yep. Yeah!
Woo!
From a
Look
hole
at
in
that.
one to a hole in two.
Look at that damage.
Hey, that's the shot of the day right there. Okay, you just did the shot of the day.
All right, hole 17. It's a tough driving hole.
Not when you got Patrick.
No, not when you got him.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You want the microphone?
Yeah.
Here. No,
Not even close.
up in the woods.
You guys think I might 3-wood hybrid here?
Yeah.
And not this 2 deep?
I think that's good.
I think that one's all right.
That's fine.
It's not in the woods.
Yours ain't?
No.
Okay.
Good ball.
See? Guy gets a hole in one that locks him back in.
Got that right. Good ball.
It was Sophie's pink tee she gave me at practice the other day. Little bunt.
Yep. Watch that kick right.
All right, Patrick says 98.
28.
Right at it.
I like it. Come down on it. Yes, come on back.
Coming back.
Great shot. Great shot.
Great shot, Patrick. Just a little left of it. Right at it. That's not the 90-yard club. All right, there's where Patrick shot in up. Oh, good putt. Sneaker in.
You sound like the diamond. It's kind of uphill a little bit though. I never thought about that uphill. He put that pin in there quick, dude. He's ready to move on. Easy putt, man.
Yeah, when there's no pressure,
That's a
shit.
lot better roll than mine.
Like Rich said, it ain't no eagle, but
Wait,
he still
we got
needs
par
one.
5 coming up.
We got 2 of them coming out.
All right, right here.
Yes, please.
Brian, what are we doing this hole?
We make an eagle.
Well, we're using our 300-yard drive.
Yes, we're using our 300-yard drive.
Because it's the persimmon wood hole, and we hit good ones, but we'd have been 230 out.
Versus 168.
All right.
Smart move.
We ain't no dummies.
No.
Even though we go into fires.
There's not a wedge. There's way left.
Colonel way left?
Yeah.
He's playing it, folks. Should be a good number.
Yep. Come back down.
Oh
there.
yeah, nice ball.
There's your eagle, Rich.
Coming
There
back.
it is, right there.
Great shot. Very nice.
You want it, Rich?
No offense, but I don't think you guys need to hit.
Huh?
No offense, but I don't think you guys need to hit.
Wait a minute. I just tore up a golf hole.
I agree with you, Patrick.
Hey, that's a 1 in a million shot. 168?
Yeah.
Brian, you hit your 8, I'm assuming?
Mm-hmm.
Missed it. Come out of it a little bit.
Just a smidge.
I let up on it a little bit too much.
Here it is. Big strike there.
Wind's taking it right a little bit.
Good ball.
Great ball.
Something to build off of. Coming in hot. All right, Brian hit a good one there. Very nice, Brian.
Very much right to left. Oh god. Dang. All right, that's a good shot.
Oh yeah! There's your eagle, Rich. Let's get you on camera with this because you were talking about it the whole time.
You've got to have one eagle in a round of golf to win.
In a scramble?
In a scramble to win it, you got to have one eagle.
What's better than an eagle?
I was thinking albatross, maybe.
If it ain't on the green, it's gonna be right in the front tip.
Yeah, he's gonna be 10 yards.
There, so it's back rough. Yeah. Not bad.
I apologize, folks. I forgot to push the record button. Patrick sent one right at the green. We'll see when we get up
See that
there.
down?
Yeah, you can see it from that back corner there.
Where's it at?
It's just in the back row, just past the green. Okay.
I got it going now.
I see it. Good ball.
That's drawing too much.
Little slinger.
We'll find that one.
Nope. On my back foot.
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't
It
think-
cleared those trees, didn't it?
I think it was too hilly. All right, Patrick's drive ended up pin high here. Here's what we got up and over this bunker. Oh, I hit on that slope and killed it. Stepping it off for him.
29, 26 to carry this.
Oh, it killed it. Go in.
Oh!
Go in! Ah! It's in! It's in! Whoa!
That's the second eagle! Back to back, baby!
Hey Rich, we have opportunity for what?
There's going to be 3 eagles in a row. Mr. Taylor just chipped one in from 29.5 yards.
Are you trying to hit it off the bridge and kick it left?
No swing. Oh crap, I did the same thing.
Came out of it just slightly.
Didn't be too long. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I think that's the one.
Par 5.
What'd you get, SA?
120 playing 123 on a par 5.
Catch a piece right there. A little deep. Tried to come. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Yep, just a little. Yeah.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
114.
That's one. Come on.
Ah, just a little deep. Good shot. Someone stiffy. Who is it?
Yeah, he thinks it's the old man.
You think? I think it's you too.
Hey, I'm pretty good from 115 yards. Hey, especially when I got a good caddy. You know?
Yeah.
You know,
That's right.
'cause I change clubs.
Speaking of caddy, thanks for grabbing my putter. All right, Rich, this is your pure eagle. Your Indian name is Senior Eagle Hole.
Oh, senior eagle hole.
It's better than butthole. I guess, you know, Aborigines wherever. Hey!
Oh, an outright eagle, baby!
Wait, it's Chief Eagle Hole. High five the camera. Good job.
Oh man, that's
You know-
3 in a row.
Hey, some of us others would like to play.
Yeah.
Oh, we got one more hole to play.
One more hole to play.
Hey, there was once a famous old captain I know that was renamed by his Indian name. You said some of us like to play. He used to tell me when I would say that, he'd say, get better.
Well, you have.
No, that's what he'd tell me.
I know, but you have. It took you a while for you to, the thing between your ears to.
Oi, oi, oi.
No, that's way gone.
The wind's helping it. Yeah. Cart path on the rocks. Right there. All right, here's where Brian's ended up. Patrick's gonna go first here, about 70 yards. Oh.
Oh my God.
Go!
Yes, sir, it went. I don't think I need to go.
I didn't know that was...
Nope.
Can you make a putt
Yes, sir.
No, 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 no.
Oh, finish that mug!
Good finish.
Good finish, boys.
That's what I'm talking about.
Way to make a putt, Rich. Way to finish.
I love this game.
All right, folks, thanks for watching
I'll have to add, but
part 2 and the conclusion of the 18-hole scramble out here at the National. Thanks for watching so far. Stay tuned for the results.
under 7 under, 8 under, 10 under. So 20 under.
52?
52, yeah.
All right, nice third place finish, fellas. No. All right, folks, here's an update. As you saw, we shot 20 under, and we did end up winning the tournament. I didn't video that because we were eating and just enjoying the atmosphere afterwards. So, but we ended up winning, and wonderful time with these guys. And then editing this and putting it together and reliving, you know, the almost hole-in-one, and then Brian chipping in for eagle where he did. It was just a good experience with Patrick, big supporter of the foundation, and then I love supporting JT and John with Imperial Golf and the Watson Leagues Foundation. So anyway, love you all. Stay self-aware.